Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to collab post on Instagram in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to create an Instagram collab post? Certainly. Collaborative posts on Instagram can be a great way to cross-promote content and reach a broader audience. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to collaborate on Instagram. Let's see how. Step 1. Open Instagram on your Android phone. Step 2. To begin, click the plus sign to create a new post. Step 3. Once you've uploaded the content, click on Tag People. Step 4. Click on Invite Collaborator. Step 5. Search for the account and click on their profile. Step 6. Wait for them to accept the request. Once your request is accepted, you are done with collaborating your posts on Instagram. So, this is all about how to collab post on Instagram? If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.